Hey guys, it's me Veronica and I'm back with another video. If you hear any background noise, that's my daughter. She's sitting there looking at me. Yeah. I'm back with another video. This is going to be another unboxing. I know they're not even in boxes, but I don't know what else to call it, but I had ordered some items from off of Amazon. These are Jujube items and I got them for a really good price. And if you are interested in seeing what I purchased, then stay tuned. Okay, so I had ordered these from off of Amazon. They're older prints. They were mailed to me separately, which is kind of odd because they're from the same company. The company is called Apple Green Baby. I had one order shipped to me on Sunday, this past Sunday, and I had one order shipped to me today, which is Friday. So, and this is the day when the video will go up. So, it's almost like we're watching this in real time. Let me grab my scissors. Okay, and I'm gonna open the first package. I got these at really great prices, so that's the reason why I purchased these. They're not from the new release. But I got them because they were really good prices. Let's see what we got. Okay, no packing slip. Nope. Okay, the first item I purchased is Snow Queen Be Light. This is actually really pretty. I wear a lot of gray. And I wasn't going to get anything in this print, but I really like this. I think this is really pretty in real life. Super cute. Plus, I love the Be Lights. Ooh, that lining. I don't know if you guys can see that. I know this is old. This came out, this was released December 13th in the US. Wow, that is super pretty. It's like a lilac purple, really light purple. That goes really nice together, that gray and purple. I will be pulling this out this week, or possibly next week, because it is supposed to be snowing. Okay. And this is the reason why I purchased this. Okay, so with Amazon, they have add-ons, you know, and when you do an add-on, you have to have items in your cart that are $25 and over. I don't know, it's just, but that's just how it works. In order to get the add-on item, well, this particular add-on item was only $5, guys. Now wait till I open this bad boy. Look, it looks like it's already been opened. Yes, I got me a heart. I keep saying hearts and stripes. Lord, dots and stripes Be Dapper. It is so cute for $5. Can you believe that? And I've ordered from this company in the past, so wow, $5, guys. Of course, they're sold out now. They sold out like once the pink lady finds out about it, I'm telling you, it's gone. So you better jump on it when they tell you. This is super cute. I don't have anything in this print. This release, this print actually came out in October. So this is an older print, but it's so cute. So I've never seen this in real life. Ooh. Let's zoom in on that lining. So cute. This is super cute. I already have a Be Dapper. I have one in Forget Me Not. But this is gonna have to be her new one. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I don't know why I didn't get anything in this print when it was released. Okay, so these are the items that I got. Like I said, got this Be Dapper for $5. It was a $5 add-on with an order of $25 or more, and then I got the Be Light for, I believe it was like $34. They retail for $42. So it was a decent, decent price. Plus, I really, really, really like this print. I think it's really cute. And I will be wearing this. So that's it. That's my video for today. I will be doing another video. The next video will probably more than likely be a planner related video. Because I did promise in not this last video, but the video before last, that I would do a planner related video of showing you guys how my planner is set up, how that's going. I did try to film, but I had to cut it off abruptly because we ended up having to leave and it was just so much going on. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. You guys enjoy your weekend and I'll see you guys later. Bye.